Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have the prerequisites, Python and pip. First, install Jupyter with pip install notebook or pip install Jupyter so the server is available. Once done, open a terminal and change directory to the folder where your notebooks or code live. This keeps files organized and avoids confusing paths. Then run Jupyter Notebook to launch the server. You'll see a local URL printed. That's your entry point. Make sure the terminal stays open while you work. Once the browser opens the Jupyter file view, click New and choose Python 3 to create a notebook. This creates an interactive document for code, text, and plots. You can run cells with Shift plus Enter. Use the kernel menu to restart or switch interpreters if needed. Make sure to name the notebook immediately so autosaves are meaningful, and use the toolbar to add cells, change cell type to Markdown for notes, and organize sections. This keeps your workflow reproducible and clear. To finish, save all work, close notebook browser tabs, and stop the server from the terminal with Ctrl+C. Confirm the shutdown so the port frees. If you can't access the interface, check that the terminal shows the correct local URL and port, make sure firewalls aren't blocking localhost, or try Jupyter Notebook stop port. If kernels fail to run, restart the kernel or reinstall ipykernel with pip install upgrade ipykernel. One quick tip: if extensions interfere,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.